Dear engineers and viewers, welcome back to Building Construction. Today I will show you a simple way to measure soil resistivity known as the Venner 4-pole vertical method. Why we are doing the soil resistivity? To test the resistivity of earth. These are the Venner 4-pole vertical method. Test will be in two directions, east west and south north, with every 0.5 meters to 15 meter intervals. Inner spikes, these are inner spike. We have to make outer spikes, insert outer spikes and inner spikes, and 50 volts electricity
जितना
be
दूर जा रहा है
given,
रीडिंग कम आ रहा है
and we will read reading the ohms. As you can see in the reading, this instrument
ये मारो थोड़ा
automatically calculate and display soil resistivity
किधर
in ohms.
उधर नहीं लगी हुई
No need manual calculation. This is the simple and easiest method.
नहीं ये उसका
By the
हाँ, लगा
help
हुआ
of
है।
this equipment, you can see now the reading is taking by after clipping the rod.
हो गया बस
This is the readings you are getting. So you have to make every interval we have to change this one. The Venner test involves placing 4 equally spaced and in line
टोटल
should be
कितना
straight
लेंथ है हमारा
electrodes into the ground. The two outer electrodes called the current electrodes inject current into the soil. The two inner electrodes called the potential electrodes measuring voltage, which is then used to calculate soil resistance, as you can see in the video. So guys, like the video and get the experience. This is the way of doing electrical resistivity by using Venner's 4-pole vertical method. Test will be in two directions, east west and south north, with every 0.5 meters interval. We have to insert this inner spikes, outer spikes. Insert outer spikes and inner spikes and 50 volts electricity will be provided, and we will read the ohms reading. As you can see in the video, these are the whole. We have to shift every interval.
19.5
अजी तार सही करो तार मीटर चेको मीटर
सीधा
Before
straight
starting any project, for design point of view, it's required the test.
ये लोग जिसका ये प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है वहाँ पे भी
So this value will be taken by the
जस्ट ये रीडिंग्स लेके तो रिपोर्ट भेजनी होगी
design team, and they will make
तो मेरा ख्याल है हम
design
आरएफआई ऐसे पेपर वर्क नहीं करते लेकिन की जो रिपोर्ट्स है ना वो रिटेन कर लेंगे अच्छा
cables and the foundation
22 meters
based on the readings.
ये 25 ये मिडल है ना हाँ
ये तो उसको रोका हुआ है खाली।
नहीं रोका हुआ है, इसको रिटेन किया हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा
Yes, sir. 25, 825.
This instrument
That will become
automatically
50.
calculates
And from
display
center
soil
75.
resistivity
this is
in
our
ohms.
center, huh?
Yeah, that is our center.
From here 22 there 22 this
As you
is
can see in the video, the reading is shown in ohms. To find out resistivity of earth, we are doing this Venner 4-pole vertical method. So like the video and share with your fresher engineers so that you can get the idea
रेलिंग में ये हुआ नहीं कि जब काम
after watching this video. So every interval we have to note it down the readings. This is the 10.29.
10.29
Okay, जी. 1-3. तीन. 1-3. एक 3.
So it will ask in the interview also sometime, the question. We have to note it down all the readings like this. What is Venner method? If you ask, you can say the Venner test in method placing 4 equally spaced and in line electrodes into the ground in 2 directions, east west and south north. So the 2 outer electrodes called the current electrodes inject current into the soil. The 2 inner electrodes
2.5 7.5
called the potential electrodes measure voltage in ohms at different intervals. You have to repeat the same in other direction as well,
बहुत हो गया सर फिर से किया ही
अच्छा अच्छा
वो एक एक
east west and south north, 2 direction. Every time we have to note it down the reading while you change the each interval. Now how we are going for this is the perfect good reading 2.92.
3.5
Make sure the line should be straight in one in the same direction.
टेप उधर मारो. टेप उधर मारेगा आपका हवा
Yes. And tape should be tight and check perfectly the distance.
This time if you don't have, maybe then you have to claim. Maybe you cannot make any document. इधर मारो. अव्वल नफरी भी, अना मंजूरी भी, हुआ कलाम को भी कई फलास.
Normally the calculated resistivity applies to a volume of material that depends on the electrode
4.5
spacing.
13.5
As per the requirement, method statement, we have to follow the. As the spacing increased, the current penetrates deeper into the earth. The penetration is measured at the middle point of the array and a depth equal to the spacing between electrodes, as you can see in this video. We have to change this and put the claim again, and it should be straight.
चलो जब सब चेक करें
White board लेना, white बना, पैर.
2.07.
साढ़े पाँच साढ़े 16 जी.
This Wiener 4-pole vertical method is used to determine the earth resistivity. In comment section I will give a full description about this test and method. If you have any related questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will respond.
Same line, same. Should be in same line, straight.
साढ़े 16.
Sola 16.5.
This every interval you have to take reading, and the tape should be line should be straight. Resistivity, electrical resistance of a conductor of an unit cross sectional area and unit length. A characteristic property of each material. Resistivity is useful in comparing various materials on the basis of their ability to conduct electric currents. Normally, high resistivity considered as poor conductors designates. And you know, the interview will ask what is the
1.9.
normal value of earth resistance. Ideally, a ground should be of 0 ohms resistance. There is not one standard ground resistant. However, the NFPA and IEEE have recommended a ground resistant value of 5.0 ohms or less. This is the location. You have to make sure the correct location before conducting the resistivity test.
1.83.
साढ़े 7 साढ़े 15 भाई.
I hope fresher engineers can get benefit from this test. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.